Thanks for clicking. Today I'm going to be unboxing Deck of Scarlet. This is a monthly subscription of $29.95, and it's actually a makeup palette. If you don't want to do the monthly subscription, you can actually just buy an individual palette for $44.95. The one interesting thing about this subscription is that every month they actually collaborate with a YouTuber. Every set is unique and a limited edition. This is edition number 12. Now it says I'm in. First things first, there's a card included, and this month's collaboration is, drumroll please, Lupe Cuevas. So it's a little card which details all her info, and at the back it's a little note from her. One thing I gotta say, this palette looks beautiful. Look at that! Oh, that's gorgeous. I can't wait to open it up. If the outside looks as good as the inside, call me sold. This actually reminds me of like the Nikki Shoot Tutorials thing she did where she looked like half of a cartoon character. But this is a palette. So in this palette you get 2 lip colors, 3 eyeshadows, 1 highlighter, 1 cheek color, and a glow drop. So right now all I have is concealer on. I tried to do my eyeshadow, although it looks a little weird. I'm not sure what this line is right here, but I'll blend that out. Obviously I didn't do that right. I put the color Cocoa down. As you can tell, it's pretty much my skin tone. So there really isn't much there. I'm gonna go in with Obsessed, and honestly, I gotta say I am not impressed at all. Maybe I'm not doing it right. This is Obsessed. I'm gonna swatch it right now since I forgot. Yeah, that's exactly what I said. Where the hell is it? Lupe? Got a lot to answer for. You can see I'm like re-swatching it. This is Cocoa. Cocoa showed. That's Cocoa. It's still a little, for $30? Come on. And then this is going to be the Groove that I'm going to finish. Oh, okay. So I put on Groove and I just used it to line out my eyes. That's the color. The only thing I can see about these eyeshadows is, girl, bye. No way. For $30, you need to come with your A game. And this is like a D game. Here's the highlighter and it's called Crystallized. And then this is the cheek Insta Famous. Well, Insta Famous is showing up, so that's good. I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all. So I'm just gonna put Insta Famous on my cheeks. So this is, oh wow, okay. Well, Insta Famous is showing up, so that's good. It's too late for you to be showing up for Deck of Scarlet. I was so excited to open up this palette too. Alright, so that's a little bit of Insta Famous on the cheeks. Alright, so I'm just going to put a little bit over here. Let me put some up here. Can't tell if that's highlighter or concealer coming through, but that's okay. Some above. Yeah, you can see it a little bit. Crystallized is, I don't know if it's showing or not. I honestly could not tell you because I'm just so upset with this eyeshadow. But moving on, we're not done yet. They still have lipstick. So this is Undone, and this one is Dizzy. Dizzy is like a gloss, I guess. What is this? Dizzy's not even there. Okay, well, let's go with Undone first. See how this goes. Oh god. It's like I can't win with this palette. What is this? Let's try some lip liner on this. Let's try and save it a little bit. No. The answer to the question is no. No, absolutely not. Alright, I'm going to put Dizzy on top of it because it looks like a gloss. See it make a goldy shine. There are like little gold flakes in there. No, no. No, I'm just not impressed. This is not a look I would put out in public. And for $29, I would expect a lot more. I'm not really sure how they came up with the individual prices. What it says online is each of the lip colors is a $14 value. Each eyeshadow is a $16 value. The highlighter is a $20 value. The cheek color is a $20 value. For a total value of $124. For this look, I completely forgot. I didn't even use the Glo Drop. I'm gonna see if maybe I can put it on my cheeks and cover up the Insta Famous and see how that goes. Ooh, what the hell is this? That's weird. Oh, the Glo Drop definitely works. I mean, I can definitely see a difference, a little bit of a sheen. That's my January unboxing of the Deck of Scarlet palette. If for some reason you're interested in subscribing to them, I'll put a link down below. As you can see behind me, I have a lot more boxes and bags to come. If you like what you saw, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Cheers.